soon, man. We're gonna be where we need to be. We got it locked and loaded. Shout out to the man with the plan.
Yeah, you know what's going on. The whole line that slide, man. We sliding that high, man.
I'm tired. About to be a process. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. Today is about to be a different day, man. We're about to still get some stuff done, but I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done. Y'all see what's going on, man. We got everything boxed up. It's time to get our shine on and get to the next level, man. So stay tuned. We're about to have everything coming. I went ahead and got the bars for the 2015 on the way. Shout out to my boy, BUILTBYDRE, man. Seriously, I need y'all to go ahead and subscribe to my boy. Get him to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get him up there. He be coming through. You already know. Yesterday, I didn't even get it on camera. We had unbent the bars. I actually could show y'all because I got them with me right here in the house. So I had them basically bent. We had these bars right here, like super bent like that, like even this side. So we unbent them perfectly, so now I could snatch the wires out. I literally got everything new right here. I got the new button, and then I got the new twist grip sensor with a whole new set of wires. The only thing that I really need off of these bars is literally the wire from, like how this disconnect, it disconnects here. I need it from here to out here to this piece right here. So that's the whole thing about it. But besides that, man, you'll see what's going on. I'm about to go ahead and put these bars together real quick before we leave the crib, get to the shop and go ahead and get that 2015 together. Even if I don't get it ready today, I'm still going to deliver it this week coming up, man. So stay tuned. Y'all see what's going on. I'm about to get this working, man. Make sure y'all enter to win the silver bullet giveaway, man. I'm telling y'all, enter to win for that joint. We only got a few spots left of the hats before we drop the new keychains. Just know we are closer than close, man. I'm telling y'all. One hat is one entry, man. We got it on sale today for $50. So if you want to get in on sale, make sure you do it today only, man. Like I said, we sliding and hiding, man. Y'all see what's going on. We getting this working, trying to get to the next level, man. Yes, sir. We got the toe. About to get it off now. Hey, slider. That's a crazy looking bike, huh? That's... What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We are in the crib, about to head out. I got my man's Ace with me. He been helping me all morning load everything up. As y'all can see, man, we're about to be out of my first apartment. Y'all already know this is a stepping stone for me moving out of my mom's crib to me just getting my own responsibility. I've been here for a while now. We got everything packed up and loaded in the kitchen. I got my guy about to come through. A family friend, but he got a good business. He cleaned and shampoo everything, so he about to clean the floor so everything could be nice how it was. I'm about to finish doing this. I was wiring up the bars for that 2015. But yeah, man, we got everything going, huh, Ace?
Yeah.
Ready for the new spot, huh? No more of the smoke detectors, how y'all be on me on the lives. Yeah, we got everything loaded up, man. This was a cool experience. I loved it for my man to have his own room, but it's time to keep growing, elevating, and getting to the next level. But you gotta start somewhere, man. Oh, I forgot, I gotta take that off. You gotta start somewhere. I still gotta disassemble my room, but everything is out though. I had pictures all on the wall, my whiteboards. I do everything super organized, but it's good though. We on to the next level, man. I'm about to go take these couches to one of my family members. They're gonna have these, and then my guy's about to come through, shampoo everything. I'm gonna load everything up in the U-Haul, and then we about to be on, huh, Ace?
Yeah.
We sliding, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. I'm telling you, y'all know your boy worked more than ever. Y'all know I be so tired of being in the shop, man. I've been in the shop for literally about like a year and a half, and it's super cool, but I'm in there with no power, no air, a lot of stuff that I really need. I can't really use the bathroom. So it's like, it was a stepping stone to get where I need to get. and we used it. We did as much as we could. We produced a lot of great bikes out of there, and it's time to get to the next level, man. So we about to finally get there. Y'all gotta stay tuned, man. Just know we working, getting it in, making it happen, man. So I'm about to grab me some more boxes. I gotta head to the shop and grab some tools to take apart these beds real quick. And then, like I said, my guy about to come through and get me right, man. So I'll give y'all a glimpse of all of that. So stay tuned, man. We slide and I hide it, man. Y'all see what's going on. We are working. Yeah. We about to load these couches. A-size up in there, knocked. Fat boy that came through. Put my shit down, man. Same part of the job. I'm tired. About to be a process. We got that couch loaded. Got one out of two. Got the insides, pillows, and the bags. It's crazy. I really cannot believe this is really happening, y'all. It's really real, man. So the thing is, when you don't buy or do certain things, people look at you like you're not getting where you need to be. But what everyone don't understand is we all have our own set of goals for you, our own life, you know? And I need what's waiting on me, you know? That's one thing for sure, man. Gotta run it up, make it happen. We got it locked and loaded. Shout out to the man with the plan.
Yeah, you know what's going on. It's all like that sliding, man. We sliding that high, man.
Man, sliding to the new location. Got it going, man. Yes, sir. That's crazy, man. We're getting somewhere now. It's nuts. Like I just moved in less than a few months ago. It's crazy, man, but we got it going. Soon, man. We're gonna be where we need to be real soon. We got everything in the truck finally loaded. About to drop all this stuff off, man. We got the back of the bed loaded up. Tell you, I'm hella blown away, man. Everything is happening so much faster, and it's crazy how stuff really comes to you when you work so hard for it, man. It may not happen when you want it to, but it's definitely gonna happen, man. It's just about the right timing. And I know a lot of times I used to look at situations like, why is it not happening? Then when it actually comes through and I look back and be like, damn, I wasn't even ready for it. As much as I thought I was, I literally was not ready for it. So the timing be everything, man. Even when you don't understand it, you gotta just stay down and figure it out, because it's gonna all play out well. It's up to you to actually catch it, you know? But like I said, we sliding, about to drop this off, man. I gotta go back and get some more stuff done. Then I'm gonna go to the shop and try to get the rest of that stuff like on the trailer. So stay tuned, man. We're trying to make it happen right now. I'm gonna still put in these next few days into the shop so I can get them last bikes rolling and going. The 2019 that we're actually giving away will be headed to the frame doctor straight out of the shop. So that will be headed there. The 2003 Road King will damn near be finished up. And the 2015 will be finished up and dropped off in Sacramento this week. So stay tuned, man. We got a crazy long week, a lot going on. So stay tuned, man. I'm trying to just get everything done and knocked out on the way, man. But like I said, we working, getting in, making it happen, y'all. So stay tuned. We sliding. Yes, sir. We just made it back in the shop, man. I have to pull up, grab my tools so I can disassemble this bed. But this is a bike we're giving away paired together with the truck, man. The bike is about to be complete this week. It's going to be headed to the frame doctor to get that frame straightened out. The paint is in a paint shop. We got everything going and flowing, y'all. Yes, sir. It's about to be on the way, man. So make sure I get in to win it today only for 50 bucks right now, man. You get to enter to win the 2019 ROADGLIDE with the Lifted 2015 ready to go. I don't know if y'all know, it's going to be pink slip, no pavement. You're going to own all of this, man, but it's going to be customed out, man. So stay tuned. Get in to win it, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we sliding, not hiding, man. I'm back at the crib, man. We got the homie done pulled up with all the tools. Got it clean. We have to make space. Check him out. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I should have got it before. It's a lot much better. That's crazy. I should have did this when I was actually staying. I got it going. Hey, look, we ain't even recording. That's crazy. About to get it going, man. Y'all see, we got on the flow.
Yo, on the motherfucking flow.
Hey, no, that's really crazy though, because I swear this room for sure was like filthy. I am not gonna lie to y'all. That's a crazy difference. And we ain't even done yet. So damn, look at that rain outside. Boy. We got it going though, man. Y'all see what's going on. Gotta just get it back cleaned up, but We're about to keep elevating and get where we got to get, man. I'm telling y'all, it's a little crazy right now, but greatness is on the way, man. We got to just stay down, keep working, and getting it in, making it happen every day, man. You'll be surprised how fast and close things will come to you, man, when you just work for it and go hard. So stay tuned, man. We sliding out hiding. I see what's going on. We working. Let's see what we looking like, man. Okay, I can dig it. It's smelling good in here. And I ain't gonna lie, this room for sure had a lot of stains right here by the door. I said it was a lot of stains right here by the door, but it smelled good. That's crazy. Yeah, you for sure did a good ass job in there. This for sure, I ain't gonna lie, off the bat. Hell yeah. That's crazy. And look, you got the window fogged up. That's how you know it's warm in here. You see, you got all the equipment, man. My guy got me right, man. On the flow is what it is, man. That's crazy, though.
There ain't no light up in here, huh?
Now I'm gonna plug the light up. We getting it going, man. Y'all see what's going on. He about to come to the new spot and get me right, too, man. So just wait on it, y'all. We slide. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man.